What if you could help your patients snore less and breathe better in just minutes? With Solea Sleep, you can offer a fast, non-surgical solution for snoring. Solea gently tightens collagen in the soft palate, helping reduce the vibrations that can cause snoring while supporting better airflow. No cutting, no sutures, little to no downtime. And the best part? The procedure takes just minutes, and patients can get back to their normal routine right away. It's a simple way to expand your services, elevate patient outcomes, and grow your practice. Discover what Solea Sleep can do for you and your patients.